I'm going to show you how you can use an email verification tool. In this case, it's Emailable. And what it does, it checks the emails, if it's an existing email or if it's a risk email or a deliverable. So that really can help you to, or your customers to embed the right email, and it also can help you to block some spam. Not all the spam, but some of them. So when you go into the dashboard, then you see that there is an IP key and a verification AP key. And what you need is the IP key. So you go to make a new key and then embeds the websites. You give it a name. And once you have done that, then you select private. So the security must be private. And once you have done that, then you have to grab a little piece of code. And this is the particular code that you need. It's on the website. And you have to choose for CURL if you are using WordPress. And you're going to embed this particular script without the last two lines, and you're going to use this script without script. So don't embed end script. This is the end script, and this is the start script. So basically you have to ignore this one and this one. So the two scripts and this little piece of code, and then just paste them into your website. So when you see the websites, then you can see here I've embedded, and this is the first part of the script, and this is the second part what I told you. And as you can see here, then I didn't put in the end script. And the last thing that you have to do is this particular line. You have to embed it on the end of the script. So in here with your IP code. So this little part is the IP code that you need. The AP code you can grab, of course, from the website, and this is the particular key that you've made, and you can copy it and then paste it into your website. Now it doesn't always copy and paste right, so you have to check it out if the copy key is available. And once you have done that, then you can customize it a little bit. If you can see here, it's the status is delivery, risk, and unknown. So these three are basic. And when you go into the website, then you can change it a little bit if you want to. So free, that is, I have made it true, and the role true, and the disposable false. But you can read it on the documentation if you want to. So this guy told me where you can find it, and it's in here. Then you can see here all the roles and the things that you can customize for your own purpose. Now, what I also have done is I've made a delay for 7 seconds. So if you can see here, it's 7 seconds and delay of 7 seconds. So when they embed the email, then it takes 7 seconds to verify, and you want to do that because otherwise it will cost you too much credits, and it's also better for searching for the validation. And the other thing that I have done is the last lines there, you can make it in your own language. So you can use your own language and you can embed it in here. They have also a plugin. It didn't work for me, one or the other way, because not every form that you're using in your website is able to use this tool. Some emails don't they don't work with this. And the plugin is also a little bit vulnerable for I think firewall or maybe the theme that you're using. I don't know it for sure, but I think so. That was it. I'm gonna show you how it works. So this is the particular code, and if you want to grab it, I'm gonna show you it in here. So this is the first part. You can copy this, and then the second part you can copy that as well, so you make no mistakes. How can you do that, Marco? Well, I'm going to show you guys. This is a little Chrome extension, and it calls a black box select copy and paste search. And once you have used that, then you can go to everything what you want, actually, if you're using the Chrome extension. Yeah, what do we want? So let's go to Facebook, to YouTube, sorry. And there's Russia, guys. I like this now. The Sauce Master is always nice. So when you want to copy some text, and you can also do it with my videos, you can also do it in here. So let's see if we have a little bit of text. Yeah, here it is. So you have a little bit of text, and you use the Chrome extension. You just embed it in here. Keep it in line, because you can see that I didn't put it right in line, and maybe it doesn't work now. So keep it in the lines, and then when you go into your let's say to notebook, and then you're gonna paste it in here, then you can see that this text is in here. So very handy. There's also a pro version that is a deal on AppSumo. I'm gonna show you the link, but it does a lot more. You can also search things. Let's just see if it works. Control F, then TL. No, it doesn't work. Maybe it's ERS. Well, of course, when I'm making videos, sometimes things go wrong. But anyway, that is it what I want to show you for today, and I want to show you that it works. So we're going to the websites, and we're going to the particular websites, and then we're going to see if it's working. Of course it works, because I tried it out. Do you think that I post something that doesn't work? Of course not. And then we're using a burn mail, and then you can see the delay for 7 seconds, and it won't work. Yep, you see it's not validated because it's a burn mail, and and you can customize it to disallowed burn mails, alias mails, or something like that, or risk mails. So when we're going to embed another mail, and we're going to spell it wrong, so this is some wrong spelled, and then it's gonna reject. It's 7 seconds, and it's not good. So when you're using the right one, then you can see that it's green. You can also customize the color, but it's not so important for this tutorial. So when we are using once, now you can submit the form, of course, but we are going to do a risk. And then you can see that it doesn't work. And when they want to send the form, then you can see that there is here a text message, and that is the message that you can customize by yourself. Let's see. So this is the time, the 7 seconds that I told you guys. And then you can embed your own text from your own country. And there is another thing, you have to enable block on rate time in true. This is important because otherwise it can give you some conflicts and it may not work. So that was it. Did I show you how you can see here that there are all notifications. So the verification and the risk was 173. And of course you can make a new key and make it secret. Don't make it a public key, make it a secret key. I'm gonna show you the link from AppSumo for the black box, and I hope you enjoyed the tutorial, and I'll see you the next time. Have a nice day. Bye bye.